I love the camera, innit?
So do I.
We're gonna win this, let's hope.
What are we saying? Div 1 things. First game in Div 1. This is where we want to be, innit? You know what I mean? This is where we want to be. I've done all the talking in the group chat. The boys know what I expect. Let's get cracking, man. Hey, wait. All right. You caught that on camera as well?
Of course I did.
Yeah. All right, people. Welcome back to another episode of Citèh the Fives. You know what's going on, man. We're live right now. First game in Division 1. No haircut. Trim pending. We went today. I get a trim. Next week, you're gonna see the freshness. We lose today. It grows out. Gonna be looking rough. Obviously, we won Div 2 last game of the season. Done our thing. You know the business. Yeah, man. Hey, let's get cracking. Alright, people, welcome back, man. We're in the Premier League. We've climbed from Division 4 to Division 1. We're here now. These boys heard who we are. They came to welcome us. Let me show you. 1-0 to the Bothersome boys. We started off slow, but we know how that goes. Like I said, we're in the Premier League now. Shit's got to be a bit different. It feels different. The air feels different. Look at the sky. It's all hitting different. What's not different is the boy chipping down and Cam coming forward. Keep us a good save. Moving a bit discombobulated. Anyway, Matt with it. Passing complete. Cam gets in front of it. Sends that one to the moon. We've got the ball back. We're stuck in a tree. Trying not to climb and get it. Anyway, ball one back. We're coming forward. Cam driving. Twist turn. Pew, 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 pew. 1-1. CC never count us out. Until the fat lady sings. And then moving on. I got the ball in the corner. I let that one from Ronaldinho. Keeper was in the way. You couldn't see it went through his legs. Liam gets a shot off. It's just over. So Matt messaged me and he said he's got someone because we were low on players. Let's welcome Mitch. I think both some boys have just come to the realization there's a camera. So they start upping their work rate. Game being slowed down. This was one of them games that it was what can we say? It was slow. It was, you had to take your chances when you got them. The ball's being moved around, as you can see. Passes, hard to break down both sides. It was almost coming to a halt. It was like whipping football. Try and take on a man, you lose the ball, you can get punished. No, a bad touch could have been better. Anyway, Cam to chipping though. The boy Els. Back to Cam. To the new boy Mitch. Gets a toe to it. It's no good. Anyway, free kick. Try and play it quick. Dribbles into the keeper. Anyway, as they're coming forward, 1-2 passes just slicing through our defence. They're finding their way up there. Twisting and turning, finding a way. They still got the ball. See, it's not even like they're playing fast football, they're just moving the ball, finding little gaps. They're doing what we normally do. But it's the Premier League. Love that. You can't complain. We just got to adapt. Speaking of adapting, he adapts his body shape and finds a way to put that one back across goal. 2-1. Ref ain't letting us have that one. That would have been a great reply. Yeah, Mitch coming forward. Gets a shot off and the keeper saves. Matt had it back to the boy else. Tries to play the 1-2, wasn't there. It's a great save from Sam.
Oh, look, he's already swollen. Look at the size of that.
I love that, Leo.
Keeper's a starfish. Who ends up on the other pitch. If Mitch could have got round him quick enough, it would have been 1-1 with the keeper. Third time the ball's gone over the fence. Mitch 1-1 with the keeper. Saved it. Small tiring things, but even me I mess up. We lost the ball. Ken gets it back. It's just to keep it down early.
Good, Wilson.
Nothing comes from it. Back into that little corner I go. I give it to Cam, he turns out, great body shape. Matt with the slappers. It's a great save from the keeper, a little fingertip save, innit? Cam, twisting and turning, you know how the arm goes. Just dribbles forward.
Whoa!
But from one attack to another. That's another ball gone over again. Anyway, Sam starting off with it and gives it to Mitch. Mitch gives it to me, I'll give it back. Ball just being caressed along the green grass. Cam finishes it. 2-2 back in the game. To be honest, we were never out of it. Anyway, it's one of them games. I've got to use my strength. That's another one gone. Ball's back in play now. From defence to attack.
There you go.
Back to defence again. 3-2. The ball's just going up and down the field like pinball. Whoever scores first seems to be the aim of the game. Not much defending going on. Anyway, little one into Mitch. Nothing comes from it. Coming to the shot. Keeper hugs it. Somehow he just cooked both of us. Gone down the wing, had a shot. Gone wide. Things are going from bad to worse. Let me show you. 4-2. I ain't scared. Are you? First game of the Premier League. They got me feeling like Burnley. Chipping there with a chip. Just cleared the post as well. That one's going to leave a red mark in the morning. 4-2, almost half time. And they put another one in the net. Half time, 5-2 down. Let's see what the boys got to say for themselves.
Maybe, you know, you see the sweet stuff, I thought it was going in. Yeah? got
goals
2-2.
they've got, it's a spare man all the time.
So what we saying? 2-2. Or just one always come back. What do you think's going wrong? You see it all, innit?
They're just fast paced.
Hmm?
They're just fast paced.
What, they're fast?
Yeah.
So what do you do?
Very
Slow it down?
Try to if we can.
Or keep up? Which one?
I'd say try and slow it down a bit.
Probably been good for now. Fuck that though, man. Let's go, man.
Energy restored. Fuck that. Let's go, man.
Surely you do that. They wouldn't want everyone.
What I lack in technical ability, I got heart. Anyway, tame shot, keeper saves. It's another one that the keeper saves. We gotta realise it's the Premier League now. This ain't Div 2 or Div 4.
Oh my god.
They got better keepers. Anyway, clip after clip, it's back and forth like the first half. Something's got to give. The boy Liam is taking off his jumper. Must be business time. Anyway, Bothersome boys.
Oh my god!
5-2. Q's, man, another one.
That's embarrassing, he just did that and then gets mugged. Lads, talk to each other, it's looking terrible.
Punters on the sideline.
Keep it easy.
They know what's going on. Keeper makes the great double save.
Now you're back.
He's moving like a prime Claudio Cudicini. He's making save after save after save.
Oh my god.
Can we break him?
Get in the net!
Anyway, our very own Fabian Barthez in goal. Sam. Look how many saves he's making.
Ball.
Tell him to save that. 5-3, come back on.
It's foul then. But if it's like a power league, foul, then it's
I was thinking faster.
5-3, Bothersome boys. Always finding the extra man. We gotta work on tracking our runners.
Are you done taking a break? My leg's still.
You know, that's one thing that we do, yeah? We document everything. We show you the good, the bad, and the ugly. And teams, even though teams will say they don't watch it,
Free does it.
they don't watch us, they do. Because teams come out with a game plan now. But that's another ball gone.
I can run.
Anyway, 5-3, we need to make it happen. Can't come close to doing that.
Not to them.
Clip after clip after clip. It's the keeper just saving it. Coming forward again. 3-on-2. Mitch. Welcome to Camp Citèh. 5-4. And I think at this time, I smelled blood. You know, a shark can smell blood for, I think it's over 100 meters. One drop of blood in the ocean. I feel like a great white. Not with that crossing. Anyway, 5-4. There's a crack in the door. Sam's hoping us keep it close. Anyway, Cam. Off the post. Core blimey, you can't believe it. Neither could we. Anyway, they try and do their own. Blocked. I whipped it in there into the boy Cam, he couldn't get there. So off the post. Mitch loses out. Cam hustles back. Show them how it goes. 5-5. Told you. Blood. Great white sharks. Let's get it cracking, man. A wind up I am. Try the shot and just bounces off two players like pinball. They go forward and come close. Punchable offence. Anyway, Cam coming forward. Mitch couldn't get it under control. Cuts it back. Oh, dragged it wide. So Matt takes this guy out. He stays on the floor. Keeper thinks quick on his feet. Matt's a gentleman. Helps him up. But look what's going on. I guess this really is the Premier League. Art of War. If you haven't read the book by Sun Tzu, I think you should. Anyway, Cam coming close. Little 1-2 is pretty. Anyway, 6-5. They've taken the goal and they've played on.
That's 15 if we were to. Oh, yeah.
Give us a bit of space. We'll take it. Anyway, 6-6.
Someone needs to drop.
When I tore my ACL,
Go
I didn't ever think I'd ever play football again. To be doing step overs and assisting my friends
Brilliant.
brings pure joy. 7-6.
We deserve to lose.
Yeah. Hey, Daddy, just score again.
Keep
We're in the
pressing.
building. Kids on the sideline asking if I scored again.
Spencer, you got stacked? Well in, mate.
Mitch hustling and bustling. Gets a shot off.
Fucking unlucky.
Keep it safe. Ooh, makes me do the splits there. Naughty. Can't put it away though. That's Sam. Cam coming forward. Driving. Gets his shot off. Anyway, we're back again. Little 1-2. Another shot. It's dragged wide. I've got the ball. Into the corner, our goal. Nothing comes from it. Anyway, Cam twisting and turning, gets the ball across to the boy Els. Els with a shot. Off the crossbar. That's another one over the fence. 7-6.
We're gonna do headers because
I do believe if it weren't for both keepers, the game would be a different situation. But that's what keepers are there for. To stop goals. So pick them up, man. They both had a good day still. I say good day, but I think this one's had a better one. Anyway, can't score there. Cam twisting and turning, drags it wide. They turn defensive to attack. That in the corner. 7-7 is a back and forth affair. At this point in the game, we want to win. We want 3 points. I think they won it too. That's the 6th or 7th time the ball's gone over the fence. Stoppage in play. And then Matty to me, I'll hold it up. Probably should have played him there. Played it back and stopped. Maybe a chance. Anyway, Cam coming forward, losing it. 2-on-1. Somehow it's finding a way past 3 of us. 8-7. Game coming to a close. Is there life in the old dogs yet? Frustration setting in. They're in the corner, somehow they're wriggling down. And they found the onion bag again. 9-7. Game coming to a close. We're really trying. Shots popping off. They run down the clock. This is what we should have done at 7-6. Can they get another one? Great save. Keeper's made a save. I don't know how he's turned his back. He's hit his back. He saved a few tonight, man. Big him up. It's another one he saved. 9-7. This guy's bar stripping there in the corner. Full time. 9-7. First game in Division 1, a loss. But you know, with losses, builds a better journey.
Nothing to smile about.
Like I said, there's nothing to smile about.
Could have won that one as well.
And then a quick look around the leagues. Fenland Tigers beat Crouch Potatoes. Cobra Kai done their works. And obviously you just saw us lose the Bothersome boys. Let's take a look at how the league table is setting out. It's only the first game, man. 3 points, 3 points, 3 points. Yeah, we're not bottom of the table, but we got work to do. Next week's a big one. So let's get cracking, man.
You win some, you lose some. But you live to fight another day.